Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app is running in true full screen, not a maximized window, because Windows treats them differently. Once done, open Task Manager and restart Explorer. EXE, this refreshes the taskbar process immediately. Make sure to toggle taskbar settings, turn off Always on Top and hide taskbar in desktop mode. These first actions remove common glitches fast, and they prepare the system for deeper fixes if the bar still appears over full-screen content. Next, address how the app interacts with Windows. Open the app's display settings and enable exclusive full screen if available, because exclusive mode hands display control to the app. Then update your graphics drivers and Windows. Outdated drivers often break full-screen behavior. Disable any overlays that inject UI into apps, for example Game Bar, Discord, or Steam overlays, because they can force the taskbar visible. Once these are off, reboot and retest to see if the taskbar no longer interrupts full screen. To finish, reset taskbar settings or create a new user profile when corruption seems isolated to your account. This often resolves persistent anomalies. If problems persist, perform a clean boot to identify background apps or services causing the overlap. As a final repair step, run system integrity checks using sfc/scano and the dism restore commands to fix corrupted system files. If it still fails, the key troubleshooting tip: test a different user or a fresh Windows installation to determine whether it's system level or account specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.